this is a hitch extender. It's going to plug in. This is a 2.5 inch and a 17 F250. So it has a reducer down to 2 inch because most stuff's standard 2 inch. This is if you're hauling long wood or kayak. I'm hauling a canoe. So 6.5 foot bed. Need to extend a little bit for a 16-foot canoe. That's what I got. This is like $70 on Amazon. I'll post a link to it, which one I got. I just picked one that I could have the next day because I'm leaving tomorrow. And yeah, so just watch cutting into this with a knife because they give you a marker flag to hang on your long item. It's nothing fancy, but has a little hanger on it. But it's right on top, so you'll slice it with your knife. All right, we're going to piece this together. I'm not really going to show you how to. You can read the instructions and I'll show you the finished product, but we'll show you. This is made of hollow steel, so don't ever think about trying to hook up to somebody and pull them out with this. It'll break and people could get injured. It has 2 holes here, larger holes for your standard Reese hitch. I mean, it's going to serve a purpose for what I'm doing with it, but and it's cool how it works, but the tolerance, like, there's so much slop in here, like, it'll be all over the dang place. But you tighten it up, and yeah, it'll serve its purpose supporting the canoe, but it's not, like, super awesome. But anyways, why they have these 2 holes here, you can flip this around and put this in your hitch and extend it up. If you were to put a ladder or a canoe on the roof of your truck, then this, instead of it being way out, it's going to stick straight up. So you would flip it around, put this in your hitch, and then you would put this T on the end down there, and it would, that's what the little holes are for this to pin into it. And then it would be up high, and you could put a canoe on your roof or whatever. So that's kind of cool. It's just a little sloppy. All right. It's all put together. It's adjustable. Everything's adjustable. Up and down height there. These in and out, they go much farther out. You can put lumber on here. You can, haul whatever's long. Pipe. It's going to work good for what I'm using it for. But is it... You make sure you have a flag on it. It comes with a flag. You have to have a flag if you're hanging out or you can get ticketed. I bought 2 extra flags that are nicer. They're supposed to come today also. I think they might be here. Anyways, this thing, I'm surprised the reviews are as good as it is. It's good. I like it. It's going to work for me. But as far as, like, the tolerance and stuff, like, this thing is as loose as a prostitute. Look at this. I mean, she'll be... Once you get her strapped down, if you run straps back to your truck and stuff, you can get it so it's not going to be back here swinging out around your truck, but it's a little loose. So the step does connect with the bar. You can still use it, but it's resting on the bar. So before I tried having it level, but then the canoe was off of the tailgate, and I want it resting on the tailgate, so it's actually going to be angled down some. I put a larger noodle. You cut it and put it on across that bar so it doesn't mess the wood up. I had a smaller noodle, put it across the tailgate it's sitting on, and then I put a shorter piece of larger noodle at the front of the truck. Now I'll put a ratchet strap over the front, and it's got hooks right here to run a ratchet strap over. You can run it actually back to the bumper if you want to get it more secure, but it should work out pretty good.